Hello! This little mini course is going to teach you how to get up and running using Bootstrap. What is Bootstrap exactly? Well, Bootstrap is a popular front-end framework that is used to develop responsive and mobile-first websites. It was originally developed by Twitter and was released as an open-source project way back in 2011. Bootstrap provides a set of CSS and JavaScript components. It includes things such as navigation bars, buttons, forms, tables, and modals that make it easy for developers to build and design user interfaces. It also includes a responsive grid system that makes it simple to create layouts that adjust to different screen sizes and devices. In addition to its pre-built components, Bootstrap also provides a set of tools and classes that make it easy to customize the look and feel of your website. With its large community of users and developers, there are also many third-party plugins and themes available that can be used with Bootstrap. Overall, Bootstrap is a powerful and flexible framework that can be used to build a wide range of websites and web applications. Some of the benefits of using Bootstrap are its responsiveness. Bootstrap provides a responsive grid system that makes it easy to create layouts that adjust to different screen sizes and devices. This makes it simple to ensure that your website looks great on a desktop, laptop, tablet, and even smartphones. Bootstrap provides a consistent look and feel across all components, which helps to ensure a uniform design throughout your website and application. Bootstrap includes a large number of pre-built components and plugins, which can save you time and effort compared to building everything from scratch. It is designed to work with a wide range of browsers, including the latest versions of Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Internet Explorer. This helps to ensure that your website will look and function the same across all browsers. Bootstrap provides a large number of customization options, including a variety of color schemes, custom CSS, and third-party themes and plugins. This makes it easy to make your website look and feel unique. It also has a large and active community of developers and users, which means that you can easily find help and resources when you need it. Additionally, a large number of third-party plugins and themes are available for Bootstrap. This makes it easy to add new features and functionality to your website. Bootstrap includes features that make it easy to create accessible websites and web applications, such as support for keyboard navigation and even screen readers. While Bootstrap can be a useful tool for many web development projects, there are some reasons why you may choose not to use it. Although Bootstrap provides a large number of customization options, you may still find that the pre-built components do not meet your specific design requirements. In this case, you may need to build custom components from scratch, which can be time-consuming. Using pre-built components can make it easier and faster to build a website, but it can also lead to a lack of creativity and originality in your designs. Additionally, using too many pre-built components can result in a website that looks and feels generic. Bootstrap includes a large number of CSS and JavaScript files, which can result in a slower loading time for your website. Additionally, you may not need all of the features included in Bootstrap, but if you include the entire framework, your website will still be loading unnecessary code. If you're already using another JavaScript or CSS framework or library, you may encounter conflicts with Bootstrap that are very difficult to resolve. Bootstrap is actively developed and improved, and new versions are released regularly. However, these updates may not be backwards compatible with older versions, which can result in compatibility issues if you're using an older version of Bootstrap in your project. Overall, while Bootstrap can be a useful tool for many web development projects, it's important to carefully consider whether it's the right tool for your particular needs and to be aware of its limitations. It's not always the best choice for every project.